Hello, everybody. And look, you see before you is one of those toolbox boombox deals that I've made. Bet you everybody made one of those toolbox boombox deals, where you have the receiver and a battery and a couple speakers. Well, I did the same thing, but here's the cool thing. I have a headphone jack down here. I have a couple head jacks down here. And not only do I have the battery for the receiver to run off of, I have a battery that runs these DC adapters, and it's under the receiver. So, you know what else I'm gonna do for this receiver? I'm gonna give it a Bose quality sound. And if you've seen those advertisements for Bose reels, and you know what they basically tell you, right? For how their sound is. All it is a speaker and a tube, basically. And I know how you can do that without. I know how you make your system have a Bose quality without the Bose price. All you need is some pieces of paper. You might need maybe up to 4, depending on how wide you may have the lid, and how long the tube will have to run from the speaker up to the top part where the holes are. This receiver I bought from Walmart, and my battery that's under it is from Walmart. But I got the 12 volt 12 amp, which is this battery here. It came from Amazon somewhere. And pretty much half the crap that's in this receiver is either from Walmart, Sears, or Amazon. And the DC ports here, they came from Sears. So if you want to get some good quality stuff, you can just go to Walmart, Sears, Best Buy, anywhere basically. And I'm finna show you guys pretty much. And all you gotta do for your freaking speakers to sound like Bose quality, all you need to do is just wrap your pieces of paper up around, make a tube make the paper look like a fucking thing of tubes, And you may want to get some electric tape to support that idea, and that's what I have. And I'm gonna get started. Well, this is the finished product. It's a goofy looking finished product, but at least you can have a Bose like quality. And I might show you how it sounds. Oh, hold up. The screen's black a little bit. While we're running that Mike and Molly thing. That's what you just heard. I'm still fixing on my receiver a little bit, dude. I think it was one of my wires.